Hello everyone, it's Claire. I do hope you're well. I'm going to make a couple of wooden bracelets today, and I have these lovely wooden beads. Not enough people actually use wooden beads, as if they're really underrated, and I just want to show you the actual patterns. I also have, I think these are 12mm. These are 8mm, very similar, obviously smaller. And before I start, I've had a question from Honeybee 1974, and she is new to making jewellery, and she has bought some clear elastic beading thread from Temu, and she wants to make some Christmas presents for people, and she was worried that the thread would be no good and it would break. Where do I get my thread? So what I thought I would do is, this is what I sell, and this is just it's a non-branded, cheaper elastic thread from China. And I also have, now this I purchased from an independent small bead shop. I love to shop independent. If you can, really support those small businesses. So this is Stretch Magic, and this is from USA. Now they are both 0.8mm. Price wise, now I think this one was £3.50, the Stretch Magic, and you only get 5 meters on there, whereas this one, which is what I sell, you get 10 meters. So I thought I would make a bracelet with the big beads and the small beads, and we'll see what it's like. I'll give my honest opinion, what I think. So I'm just going to measure 12 inches. And another good piece of advice I would give is, when you're not using your elastic, keep it in the clear bag that it will come in. Otherwise it will dry out, become very brittle, and will just snap. So we've got 12 inches, and if you follow me, I have found at last my beading clips, which are just stationary clips. I had a good tidy up and I could not find them, so I'm glad I found those. So, oh, I need that ruler. And I'm going to do 7 inches. But yeah, from all the beads that I sell, and I admit I use you know, glass, acrylic, gemstone, and these get pushed on the back burner, and they're ever so pretty. So I thought I'm going to bring these out for you. So let's put them on. You see how pretty those are, and they are coated, so it's not just, you know, wood that maybe you'll be outside getting wet and it will swell, and obviously don't go swimming with them, but they do have a clear varnish on them. They are very large whole beads, as you can see. So I do have, if you're new here, I do have a website, which I'll link below for you. And I sell handcrafted jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. This one. Right, I'm just going to put more of those. That's just over 7 inches. I'm just going to give it a stretch. And then we're going to tie the bracelet. So put this one over twice. Which is known as a surgeon's knot. There we go. And then we just snip off the ends. And then we can just hide the knot in between. Isn't that a lovely bracelet? Lovely colours. So that was that thread. Let's just have a feel of the stretch magic. Just having a like stretchy wise. There's not really that much difference. Maybe this one's a little bit more stretchier than this. But we'll use it and see. So remember, put it back in the bag. So again, we will measure 12 inches. Okay, we'll put the clip on the end to stop the beads falling off. And then we'll just put these on. That just needs the hole making a little bit bigger. There we go. The hole wasn't completely formed. That's 2. I always give them a good stretch. So we're going to do a surgeon's knot. go over twice. Then we are going to go this way around. And we'll do one for luck. Okay, we'll just snip the ends off. There we go. So there's the bracelets. 2 different sizes. So do have a look when you're next looking for beads at what wooden beads are available. Especially with the time of year now, with autumn. Especially the orange ones. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.